Look at all of these beautiful green beans growing here in Big Mama's garden that I'm getting ready to harvest. Oh, okay, okay. Still have a lot of blooms still here. So I'm gonna see a few more growing after I make this harvest. Beautiful green beans, yes. Look at you, look at you, look at you. All for this one plant. Okay, let me get ready to harvest these green beans. More green beans over here too. Okay, okay, looking good. Look at those beautiful green beans. Okay, getting ready to harvest some green beans grown here in Big Mama's garden. Still growing in September. Okay, looking good, looking good. Okay, grow me some more green beans. Look at these beautiful bell peppers. Ah, look how big that one is. Need to harvest you today. Another one right there. Beautiful bell peppers. Got more going here. Okay, y'all still producing. That's a great thing. Look at here, look at here. Okay, bell peppers. Bell peppers. Still growing in Big Mama's garden. Look at this big beautiful bell pepper. Getting ready to harvest you today. Big and beautiful bell peppers still growing in Big Mama's garden. Yay! Looking good. Okay, today I have a nice harvest from Big Mama's garden. Green beans, cucumbers, bell peppers, and okra. All grown from Big Mama's garden. Looking good. Looking good.